अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप, सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Low plank leg lifts. Alright, so let me show you the move today. You have to go into the low plank, alright, head to toe straight line, and then lift your leg slowly up, hold it up for a few seconds, or you can hold it up for half a second, and then go on to the next leg. Keep the straight line, make sure you keep the straight line from head to toe, alright, and this is awesome. This is a very good move. You're just squeezing your butt, your glutes are working. Take a break if you need it, but you can push yourself. Come on, push, 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 push. This is a fantastic move for abs, for your butt, for your arms. Everything is working, and mostly these all abs exercises, real good exercises for core. Russian twist. We are not in Russia, but still we can do Russian twist modifier, and then you have to twist. Imagine you have a ball in your hand, a football, holding a football in the hand, and then you twist from left to right. Look up, your chin up, your chin up. Alright? Do not do the pendulum. Do not do it like a pendulum. Just go slow and control. Just slow and control. Alright? Do not move your head too much. Keep your head straight. Keep your head straight and then twist. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Really working on your core. Chest up. Keep your chest up and count. आज का move का नाम ही है hundreds. Alright? So I'll show you. If you can do this, keeping your head up like this, and you have to move up and down. So 1, 2 is your 1 count. Alright? So 1, 2 is your 1 count. Put yourself, you can keep your head down. Your whole core is working. You're really working on your abs. Alright? You're working on your lower ab. If you just lift your head up a little bit, you engage your upper abs as well. So 1, 2 is 1. 1, 2 is 1. Keep breathing. You don't have to hold your breath. Alright, remember, keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. You have to supply oxygen to your muscles. अगर आपको ये वर्कआउट सीरीज पसंद आ रही है तो कमेंट करें और अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ में शेयर करें. Till then, stay home, stay fit. See you soon.